Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can report an account on TikTok. It's pretty easy and I'm going to show you how you can do it. Basically, reporting an account on TikTok is not that hard, and you can use reporting for if there is any like type of account that does racist content, anything that is that has any kind of sexual references or photos or videos, any kind of these, like the things that you see that are worth of reporting. You can do it. And actually, TikTok does a really great job in actually seeing those reports, and a lot of accounts gets banned as soon as possible if they do not follow the guidelines. So I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, I'm going to launch up TikTok. Now, right here, I am at TikTok. I am going to go on this account. Let's say I want to report this account, okay? And then after that, you're going to click. After that, once you click over here, it's going. I'm going. Once you click over here, you're now going to find something called a report. Now, if you go on the account, there's no way where you can basically report. So how you can report is that you need to report a specific video. And once you report that specific video, if those videos get reported a lot, then the whole account is going to get a report and then basically get banned. So how you can report is going to click on you're going to press along on the screen, and after that you're going to click on report. And after that, you're going to report the specific video, okay? As you can see, you can choose these things, and let's say I'm going to use this, and then I'm going to submit. After that, after that, I basically reported a video, and then therefore the account gets in review for report. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.